Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I am Miss Hina Akhter, your science teacher. Our today's topic is starch test of a leaf. An easy way of finding out if a plant is photosynthesizing is to see if its leaves have produced any starch or not. Before you can test for starch with the iodine solution, you have to go through several steps first. 1. Boil the leaf to make it soft for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, put off the flame. Now take the leaf out of the beaker and put it into the test tube filled with 1/3 of alcohol. Keep this test tube into the beaker of the boiled water. Remember, the flame must be put out because the alcohol burns on flame. 2. Washes away the green color using alcohol. Let the leaf stay in the alcohol for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take the leaf out of the test tube. Step 3. Wash it again with hot water of the beaker. Now we may test for starch with the iodine solution. Spread the leaf on a white board and drop the iodine solution all over the leaf. If the leaf will have starch, it will get blue-black. Now your home task is to note down the changes in a leaf during starch test on a color paper.